Both Scott and I, Scott belongs to a condo, I suspect, I belong to a co-op, and we both know about how awful these committees are. There are two kinds of regulations, laundry and garden. And it makes a difference whether it's laundry or garden, because you'll have a double fine for a violation of a laundry regulation. The committee is now deciding on whether it should be forbidden to hang your laundry in the garden. Okay. Now, what makes it the case that this is a laundry regulation? The committees say so. That's all it takes. If they take it to be a laundry regulation, then it is.